Burdur, the silent beauty between the provincial boundaries of Sparta and Burdur in Mediterranean region of Turkey. It emerged after the U-shaped tectonic collapse 65 million years ago, together with the split of Tethys Sea. Although it sets out a shallow view, Burdur Lake is one of the deepest lakes of Turkey. The depth reaches 100 meters in front of Kapı Cape in the northwest. Burdur Lake is one of the most important lakes of Turkey as bird life. It hosts 70% of world population of dikkuyruk ducks, which is also the symbol of both the city and the lake. Having a temperature that never falls below 7 Celsius, it's a convenient living environment. It's within the cover of international Ramsar agreement owing to species it contains. And Burdur Lake is a first-degree protected wetland area. Water class of Burdur Lake falls in the class of C4S4. The salinity rate of the lake water, including heavy metals, 19 per mil. Since the lake water has arsenic, fauna inside the water is mostly gaunt. There's only one fish species which is one of the food sources of visiting birds in the areas where the streams and spring waters meet the lake. This killifish species belonging to toothed Cyprinus family lives in difficult conditions. The name of the endemic species you can only see in Burdur Lake is Aphanius burduricus. Researcher Fethi Akşiray defined its name in taxonomy in 1948. Being boatfish, Burduricus lives in the areas near spring waters within the lake. Its mating area is mossy areas and sinuous calcareous formations which has formed through eroding and accumulation. Burduricus reaches mating maturity and spawns within some 100 or 120 days. The beginning of the mating period is the late March of every year. Although Aphanius burduricus are hard water fishes, it's possible for them to adapt fresh water. This feature makes them unprecedented within their relative species. Fishes accommodating fresh water live through their life phases in covered areas too. Incubation time of spawns of nearly 1 mm is 15 or 17 days, depending on the temperature. Larvae coming from spawns are transparent. Sexual distinction can be determined when they are of 2 months. The distinction of male and female is easy. There are 7 strips in male bodies. Its dorsal and dorsal fins are black. Black neat marks are observed at caudal. Females do not have strips. There are more gray and silver marks on gray surface. The size of marks and their region is different. Mark distribution on female Burduricus draws a discord. Like the unprecedentedness of fingerprints in human being, their gray marks are unprecedented. Despite this color structure, Burduricus has a feature of changing their colors according to their location within the school. When a dominant male gets dark colors with its all-headness, the subordinate ones erase their colors steadily and counterfeit females. Females get yellow in color before the mating ceremony. Males out of the ceremony also get yellow color. They vertically change their wearings to it fallen spawns during the mating. This is a fine tactic to manipulate the dominant mating male and to steal the spawns easily. The male which is ready for mating protects the area he specifies and to move away the other males. Meanwhile, he waits for females having ready spawns in this area. Persuaded female enters the circular area, the male waits for the proper time and place by following the ventral part of the female with his head. Once the couple is ready, male forms S shape, female forms C shape and they join their bodies. After the vibration, spawns are sticked out and male leaves his sperms on spawns. The number of spawns is spasmodic. areas are quiet or dynamic depending on the hierarchical order they form in the aquarium. It's an avid harmony to gaze at. Perhaps you see these fishes for the first time. Yet Murat Sadıç, who transmitted and observed these fishes, says, you can't watch Aphanius burduricus, but you can live with them. To meet you again with another beauty endemic of Turkey.